In today's video, I'll be revealing the simplest way to earn $750 daily, right from your phone, without needing any prior skills or strenuous effort. Using this strategy, PewDiePie has been raking in over $500,000 monthly. Greyhound Stefan makes around $100,000 per month, and I've personally been generating roughly $7,000 monthly, completely passively. A Rockerton marketing survey shows that this approach yields an average of $154,000 annually, with top earners making millions per year. Now you might be wondering how you can replicate this success for yourself. To help you understand, I've divided this video into 3 sections. Trust me, this isn't nonsense. The same process has been used by the likes of Jim Collins, Peter Drucker, Tony Seth Godin, Eric Ries, and Gary Vaynerchuk. First, find an activity you're passionate about that also has demand, meaning people will want to pay for it. Identify the perfect balance between passion and profitability using the 3 circles framework, which has been utilized by the aforementioned experts. List about 15 to 20 items that genuinely interest you. For me, YouTube and digital products were the top picks. Next, compare your list to the most lucrative niches in business. 3 evergreen, highly profitable niches include health, wealth, and relationships. In Part 2, choose between one of these 3 platforms: Digistore24, ClickBank, or Pro University, the best option. Register for a free account on your chosen platform. Find a product in your niche with at least 50 payouts. Become an affiliate, get your affiliate link, and start promoting to make sales and earn money. Finally, in Part 3, it's time to start generating income. Search for the top channels on YouTube related to making money online and follow the steps outlined in this video. If you need help registering for these platforms, don't worry, as I'll be guiding you through the process at the end of the video. Good luck. Click where I click and follow my steps. I chose the How to Make Money Online niche for this video. If your niche is different, adjust accordingly. First, type your niche into the YouTube search bar, click on Filters, and filter by channels. Find 3 channels you like and open them in new tabs. Click on their videos and filter by most popular. Pro tip: download the vidIQ extension to find trending videos and the number of views they get per hour. Select the 10 most viewed videos from each of your chosen channels. Save these in a Google Doc or similar tool. To turn this into a passive income method, rewrite the video scripts using ChatGPT. Download the YouTube summary with ChatGPT Chrome extension, then click on the transcript and summary button to view the video script. Copy the transcript and paste it into ChatGPT, asking it to rewrite the script in a more engaging way. Then ask it to transform the script into a PowerPoint presentation. Ask ChatGPT to shorten the script to 170 words, max, to differentiate your content. Although some may argue this method is stealing content, ChatGPT recreates scripts from scratch, making them unique. Now, visit tum.ai and create a free account. Click on Create Presentation and paste the 170-word summary from ChatGPT. Tum.ai generates a presentation with copyright-free images. You can edit the text or add more information as needed. When your presentation is ready, record it using screen recording software like OBS or your smartphone's native screen recorder. This recorded presentation will become your video content. Additional software options can be found in the text file below. Now we've arrived at the moment you've been eagerly anticipating: earning money. To do this, you'll upload videos to your YouTube account, following the same approach I use on my own channel. Aim to post 3 videos per week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Each new video builds upon the previous ones, eventually creating a passive income snowball effect. To consistently make $750 daily throughout the year, simply adhere to the 3 video per week framework. This should result in roughly 4,500 sales per year, assuming you generate around 1,000 views per video, a conservative estimate, especially if you follow the suggested video posting framework. For example, let's say you become an affiliate for YouTuber Pro, my highly regarded course with numerous 5-star reviews. Currently, YouTuber Pro pays you $61.75 per sale, But in 7 days, the price will increase and you'll earn $99.25 per sale, or 25% of the course's selling price. Here's the breakdown. By posting 156 videos per year, 3 videos per week, you'll amass 156,000 views. Remember, you're not even making the videos yourself, you're simply creating content using ChatGPT and screen recording your presentation. From these views, you can expect approximately 4,500 sales per year, which equates to an annual income of $274,500 to $445,500, or a monthly salary of $23,000 to $37,000. To achieve these sales, all you need to do is post a video on YouTube, include your affiliate link in the description, and direct viewers to your product. If you're unsure about posting videos or choosing titles, tags, or hashtags, click the video on your screen for guidance. Remember, work hard, play harder. That wraps up our discussion for today. I hope you're now equipped with the knowledge to successfully generate income through YouTube. Keep in mind the power of consistency, and don't forget to apply the video posting strategies we've shared. If you need further assistance with video creation or optimization, feel free to explore the content on this channel. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable insights. Stay dedicated and persistent in your journey, and you'll reap the rewards. Until next time, happy YouTubing.